that we have lymph nodes. And we have lymph vessels. Lymph nodes generally where we make our white blood cells. Okay, we're good with this. And then those white blood cells travel in lymph vessels. And then there's this weird bit. That was spelled wrong. I don't think that's right. No, that is right. Okay. There's this weird bit in the back of you. Called cisterna chyli. It's like this weird amalgamation block of lymph right here in the back of you. So there's lymph nodes all over your body. If you've got an infection, they get swollen and they hurt like a lot. You ever had a swollen lymph nodes? It sucks. And then, okay, so the important thing that I want you to know, the two important things, okay, and there's actually only one of them that I can actually test you on. We divide the body into two quadrants. So there's one that has your right arm and the right side of your face, and then there's another set that's got your legs and the left arm and the left side of your face. Okay. Each of these two quadrants has its own major lymph vessel that takes white blood cells, and puts it into your regular circulation so that then those white blood cells and all those immune fighting machines can get where they're supposed to go. On the right side, it's this thing right here, and it's called the right lymphatic duct. And then on this side, it's called the thoracic duct. It's called the thoracic duct. These two, both of these, so sometimes we'll ask you this question, if we pin right lymphatic duct or we pin thoracic duct, we could ask you potentially where white blood cells will go next, okay? So basically what we're asking you is where those two lymph ducts actually drop lymph into your regular circulation. And that happens at a place called the venous angles. If you look on these drawings here, I've got my subclavian veins and my jugular veins, and they're meeting at this right angle right here. This is the left, this is left venous angle right here. And the one on this side is right venous angle. So right lymphatic duct drains into the right venous angle, and thoracic duct drains into the left venous angle. And generally we call them venous angles because where those ducts actually dump lymph is very variable. Sometimes it goes into subclavian, sometimes it dumps into jugulars, sometimes it dumps brachiocephalic veins. So we just generally call this area where it usually goes a venous angle. Does that make sense? Capiche?